Welcome to 4DX Design, your ultimate source for all things home design, architecture, and interior inspiration. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
A spacious, open-plan living area, featuring a large, light beige sectional sofa, dark-stained wooden coffee table, and rustic kitchen island. The kitchen boasts dark brown cabinets and a stainless steel countertop, with a central island. Exposed stone walls, wooden beams, and large windows showcasing a lush outdoor area with a swimming pool. The style is modern rustic, with a blend of natural materials like stone and wood. The colors are warm, earthy tones, warm beiges, tans, browns, and muted greens. The lighting is natural, casting soft shadows throughout the space, with a sense of depth and dimension. High-resolution, architectural visualization. A stunning, hyper-realistic, aerial shot of a modern, stone-clad, two-story home nestled within mature foliage. The home's design features a sloped, green-roofed, rooftop garden, cornered structure with walls of light gray and brown stone. Large, multi-paned windows showcase the interior, which appears lit with warm, golden hues. A balcony with dark metal railing extends from the second level. The exterior stonework displays varied textures and tones, creating depth and dimension. The surrounding trees and shrubs are deep green, providing a lush, natural backdrop, especially emphasized by evening light. Ambient lighting illuminates the home's exterior, highlighting the architectural details and creating a warm, inviting atmosphere. A curved, monolithic concrete structure nestled within a lush, vibrant forest. Hyper-realistic rendering, showcasing intricate details of the stonework and surrounding vegetation. The building's exterior is a muted, charcoal gray concrete with flowing, organic curves, blending seamlessly into the natural environment. Large windows with dark frames offer expansive views of the forest, letting natural light filter inside. The interior appears modern and minimalist, showcasing warm wood tones and neutral colors. Rocky terrain with various shades of brown, gray, and muted green surrounds the structure, with hints of succulents and other plants. A secluded, modern cabin perched on a cliff overlooking a tranquil ocean vista. Hyper-realistic rendering. Rustic stone walls blend seamlessly with dark gray wood siding and a dark gray, slate-like roof. Large sliding glass doors open onto a private infinity pool with turquoise water, reflecting the hazy blue sky and distant mountains. Wooden deck surrounds the pool area, with comfortable sun loungers and a small, open-plan living space inside the cabin, showcasing a bed, simple furnishings, and a mini kitchen area. Lush green foliage and trees frame the scene, creating a sense of tropical privacy. Warm natural light illuminates the space, casting a soft glow on the scene. A modern, minimalist stone cabin perched on a rugged cliffside overlooking a vast, deep blue ocean. The cabin features a mix of rough stone and glass walls, creating a contrast between natural and modern elements. The stonework is a warm, light gray and beige, with variations in texture. Glass walls offer panoramic ocean views. A stone chimney rises from the roof. The ocean is a vibrant blue with whitecaps, and the cliffs around the cabin are a mix of greens and browns, with vegetation clinging to the slopes. The foreground includes gravel, and outdoor furniture and landscaping. Impressionistic style, but with a focus on detail and realism in the architecture and environment. A rustic, modern treehouse nestled into a mountainside. Medium shot, showcasing a spacious interior seamlessly blending with the natural stone exterior. Natural light streams in through large windows, highlighting the neutral color palette. Concrete floors with a grainy texture. Exposed stone walls with earth tones. Deep brown and gray tones dominate the color scheme, offset by the warmth of wood and white accents. A steel and wood spiral staircase leads to a loft area. A living area with comfortable seating, a kitchen, and another seating area visible in the background. The tree trunk is prominent in the center, with branches and foliage visible through the structure. A modern, minimalist container home nestled within a lush, tropical forest. Hyper-realistic rendering. Dark gray stone cladding and black metal framing create a striking contrast with the vibrant green foliage. Large windows offer panoramic views of the surrounding greenery. Wooden decks and stairs lead to the structure. A small, elevated balcony stretches along one side. Warm, ambient lighting in the home's interior suggests a cozy atmosphere. Natural stone and gravel landscaping, a mix of greens, grays, and browns. Rustic modern aesthetic, impressionistic rendering of the forest background. Include textures of both smooth stone and rough, organic wood. A contemporary, minimalist cabin nestled on a hillside at sunset. Hyper-realistic rendering. Large, panoramic windows of dark glass showcasing a stunning, warm sunset over rolling hills. The cabin is a dark gray concrete box with wooden accents, framed by mature trees and a lush garden, with natural stone and gravel visible around the base. The interior is visible through the windows, light wood furniture, a soft color palette, and natural light bathing the space. Soft, glowing light from lamps and the sun illuminates the interior and exterior of the cabin. Colors include warm oranges, pinks, and purples of the sunset, deep greens of the trees, and warm browns and grays of the stone and concrete. A large, bright, open-plan living area with high ceilings and expansive windows overlooking a lush garden. Rustic modern aesthetic. The interior features a light beige/cream color palette with wooden accents, including a kitchen with a light-toned countertop and wooden bar stools. Exposed beams are a dark gray/brown. A stone or brick wall is visible behind the kitchen area, giving a natural, textured element. The floor is a light, natural-toned wood-look tile or carpet. Large, comfortable, light beige sofas and a coffee table are positioned near the windows to allow maximum views of the outdoors. A sense of airy openness and calm. Hyper-realistic rendering, focused on details. A tranquil, secluded tiny cabin nestled in a lush, verdant hillside forest at twilight. Impressionistic, slightly hazy light with muted warm, earthy tones. The cabin's exterior is constructed of rough-hewn stone, giving a rustic, natural feel. Large, irregularly shaped glass windows offering views into the interior, which is filled with warm, inviting light. Visible through the glass are indoor furniture and decor. The cabin sits on elevated wooden platforms, contrasting with the natural earth tones of the hillside. Focus on the warm glow emanating from within the cabin and on the textures of the stone and wood. Background mountain silhouettes are soft and blended into the twilight sky. A cozy, Bohemian-style bedroom nestled within a rustic stone cottage. Spacious room with large windows showcasing a lush forest vista. Stone walls form the background, and numerous potted plants are strategically placed throughout, adding a touch of greenery and depth. A low platform bed with a muted taupe linen bedding and colorful, patterned rug on the floor make up the focal point. Natural light streams in, casting warm golden hues across the room. Wooden beams are visible on the ceiling. Wooden shelves with natural elements display more greenery on top. A feeling of warmth and tranquility. Hyper-realistic rendering of textures, with detailed representation of stone, plants, and textiles. A modern, minimalist, dark gray modular cabin nestled within a lush olive grove. Hyper-realistic rendering, impressionistic lighting, soft golden hour tones reflecting on the stone decking. Deep, rich greens of the olive trees contrast beautifully with the dark, textured, speckled facade of the cabin. The cabin's angular, asymmetric shape is highlighted by large, strategically placed windows filled with soft interior light. Natural stone, both large and small, are scattered on the ground surrounding the cabin, creating a natural, grounded feel. Visible through the windows, the cabin's interior has comfortable seating and a sense of warmth. A cozy, modern cabin nestled in a serene forest. Stone exterior walls crafted from natural gray and brown stones, contrasted with a modern gray metal roof. The cabin features large panoramic glass windows that seamlessly extend to a covered deck, showcasing the lush forest backdrop. Warm interior light spilling outward illuminates the space, creating a sense of inviting calm. The forest floor is composed of fallen leaves and rocky terrain. The lighting is soft and diffused, with a slight twilight/dusk aesthetic, showcasing the trees and foliage in subtle, natural tones. Impressionist style, but with a focus on realistic detail in the stonework and the natural elements. A rustic, stone cabin nestled within a lush forest. Exterior shot showcasing a patio area with a stone fire pit. The stone walls are a light beige/tan, with natural variations in color and texture, and are covered with some climbing plants. Large wooden double doors with clear glass panes open onto a cozy indoor space with exposed beams, light-colored bedding, and a soft, warm interior lighting. The forest floor is lush green, the trees are deep green and rich foliage, providing a natural backdrop. The light is natural daylight, casting soft shadows and highlighting the textures of the stone and wood. A shelf with decorative items is mounted on a stone wall. A secluded, stone-clad cabin nestled in a lush mountain valley, hyper-realistic render. The cabin, built of light gray and beige rough-hewn stone, has a sloping, green roof garden. Large, floor-to-ceiling glass panels open onto a modern terrace, providing views of the surrounding forest and distant mountains. The stonework is textured and uneven, with subtle variations in color. The greenery is vibrant, including various shades of muted greens, browns, and hints of purple/pink from flowers and plants. A section of a stone castle or fort is visible in the background. Warm, golden light streams from within the cabin, highlighting the interior. Forest trees surround the cabin, with dappled shadows. A modern, minimalist prefab cabin nestled within a lush forest. Detailed, hyper-realistic rendering. Exterior walls are composed of a textured, stone-like material that appears carved or sculpted, featuring a pattern that evokes a natural rock formation. Dark gray metal framing and accents complement the stone facade. A covered deck with dark wood planks extends from the main structure. A wooden staircase leads down to the ground level.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.